We went through recording assignment, so everyone assigned it yesterday. You recording.
The audio came out wrong. But I realized, so what I did is I was using screen recording. Then when I want to watch the video, don't realize the audio and the slides are different. Did you see?
I don't really listen. I didn't know the answer.
Thanks. Okay, next I go on. Okay, where did I stop yesterday? Question 2 or question 3? I finished 2, right? You're all okay? Halfway. Okay. So I go through question 2 again. No, I haven't started on 2. Did I start on 2?
You finished 1, 2.
I finished 1 and 2. 2 not finished. Where did I stop? Part 2 or part 3?
Part 2. You haven't finished part 2.
I haven't finished part 2, Okay. So I go through slowly, Okay, part 1, okay, how to get the triangle? Okay, so you all must know that in A-level, it's very common that, okay, not like in your math question, you get numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, but in A-level, instead of constants, you get things like letter P. Okay? Letter P. Okay? So far, so you can see all the letters are here. So these letters, you must make sure that you don't differentiate them because they are constants. Who are your variables? The variables are here. X. So far? Okay, then after that, now you differentiate. So here, if I were to do part 2, if I were to do part 2, let's say I look at the question. This is I need to do dA dx, right? So my A is here, 1/4 P minus 2x, 4px minus p squared. I look at this as my U. I look at this as my V. So far, okay, turn around. Just turn. Everyone turn around. So what is U prime? U prime will just be negative. Okay, so far, what is B prime? B prime will just be 4p. All this, whenever I differentiate, I will just get 0. Okay, when I differentiate with respect to x, I will only respect x. I see x, then I take action. No x, no action. Yes? Okay. Now, then from here, A, dA dx, 1/4 U prime multiplied by V. Hey, did I do something wrong? Yes, I did something wrong. I made the same mistake yesterday. Expand multiply by 4p. Is it correct? Better now? Is my p part correct? My p part correct? So this is 4p multiplied by half 4px minus p squared power negative half plus, don't talk about your grandfather, Isabel, 8. So this is U prime time. Okay? And eventually you simplify this one. This is a cancel. So I think a negative 1 square root 4px minus p squared. Over here, this is minus half. This is power half, right? Power, what am I writing? 4px minus p. Power half, right? The power half. Okay? Then you work it. Okay, do the square root to get 1. Eventually, you will get square minus 3px over square root 4px minus p squared. Okay? So this is part 2. Part 2 is easy. Part 2 is difficult. Part 3 is easy. Part 3 is easy. Okay, how? Assignment 1 you give me Monday, right? You also Monday.
Well, the other one.
Then shut up, Sean. Okay. Huh? You just said something. Okay? Can I? Let's slowly go on. Now, this is my dA dx. I want my dA dx to be 0. So I want my dA dx to be 0. When a fraction is 0, who matters? Is it a numerator or denominator? So if I have a fraction, if a over b equals to 0, what can you conclude? It's just a equals to 0. Okay, b doesn't matter because the denominator can never be 0. So straight away, yes, correct. Okay, good. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Correct. Okay. So yeah. Okay. P equals 0. It's P minus. Yeah. That's why you see over here, right? I rejected P. I never count this in. Okay. P equals 0. Okay. P cannot be 0. Good observation. Okay. So here you can see that. I look at this. Correct. You might get. Why am I writing in pencil? P equals to 0, or P equals Now basically because P cannot be 0, right? You can see that I divided by P straight away. So I get x equals to P over 3. Okay, so that's my answer for part 3. Okay, from here. Hey, the question, remember P stands for parameter. So not logical to say that T is 0 lah, Okay. What do I think? The night shines bright, stars lighting up the sky. The moon, where is she? Okay, question 3. Question 2, okay? Question 2, okay? Okay, question 3. Question 3, this is the question. Okay, very quickly, let me write down the answer. Question 3. Question 3. Your dH dx will be, write down please, 8 K cube. Those who never do, it's good for you to copy the answer down so you have some reference. So what I do is I copy down the answer. So here, x is equals to K over 2. Anyone got part 1? Anyone managed to get part 1? Very good. Very good. But then is there a difference between like I knew that no difference. I keep the whole square root versus I keep what inside the square root. Like everything inside the square root. You keep the whole square root versus you keep what inside the square root. This case doesn't matter. So x, for example, x cubed like that, right? Or x same. Both give you 3 over 2. Okay? Can when does it matter, son? Doesn't. Unless there's something out of the square root inside the cube. Okay. For example, square root x plus 3. Then versus square root x. They got better, son. They got different, Okay. Should I go through part 1? Good. Okay. Once I get a visual, I go. Okay. So dH dx, okay, the idea is, okay, you must know when I need to find dH dx, I will need, before I can get to okay, dy dx, I will need y in terms of, agree or not? Okay, if I need to do dy dx, I'll first need y to be differentiated. Y must be in terms of x. So this is the understanding. Okay, from the markers question, from the exam question, you must know the sentence x. The sentence need you to find h in terms of x. Okay, guys, this is going to be A level as well. You will need h in terms of x. Now, because I need h in terms of x, and I look at my diagram, I said, wow, well, what do I do, man? How do I start? Okay. So how can you start? You start from things that you know. When you look at a right angle triangle, what do you know? What can you formulate? Half times base times height. What else? Right angle triangle? Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so I look at this. I can see that, oh, x plus k, okay, correct? This gives me half times base times height. This is like area of a triangle. The area of a triangle can be half times base times height. Okay. Okay. Now, another way to look at the triangle base area is can be half times base times height. Okay, it can also be the two pink lines. Now, what is this? This is the hypotenuse, right? This is the hypotenuse, right? Now, the hypotenuse is the square is basically x plus k square plus 2k square. Am I right? Yes, no, maybe. It's complicated. Oh, thank you. 4 only got for you. Okay. Okay. Can I? So what's the hypotenuse? If I square root x plus k square plus 2k square. Can I? What do I get? Simplify this. You should get x square plus 2kx plus 5k square. Or because you see here got a k square, here got 2k square, add up equal 5k square. So far, okay? Don't worry about the letters. You just focus on your x. Okay, all the x's are the one that you want to work with. The rest are all just constant. So far, okay. With the hypotenuse, what can I do? Then the area now of the triangle can be rewritten as half times height times hypotenuse. Okay, that's the idea. That's the idea. I am writing the area of the triangle in two ways. I'm writing the area of the triangle in two ways. Can you see? Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? Because I want to make H a subject. Okay, so far? So sometimes question is very ambiguous. They will not tell you, hey, Yokai, you need to do this first. You need to do this second. You do this. You have to, it's like a jigsaw puzzle. It's a very open-ended skill. You need to start with something that you know. Xingyu, are you there? What are you looking at? Huh? Yeah, what's he looking at? I say that I catch that. So far, I don't think so if you cannot get this kind, see what I do is like that. Okay, I'll do like that. Okay. Can not that I don't trust you, but sometimes you all must regulate. Okay. Trust is hard to gain, but it's easy to be broken. Okay. Okay, so now if I equate these two, this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to equate the two of them. Okay. So now equate. So guys, you'll see, I go down, I draw a diagram on top. Okay, see now the area is half times, what's the point? Half times 2k times x plus k equate to half times pi times square root x square plus 2kx plus 5k squared. Okay, now I will fast forward a bit. You simplify, you get h in this manner. Okay, this is your h. Is it okay? I will stop at here. I'll stop here. I got no more time, but differentiate this. Okay, then you will get your answer. Okay, for those who do not know how to do question 3, sorry. Can you copy this down? Yes, no? And I will stop here for those who are